What's up, y'all? Just getting to the crib. Got a couple things came in, baby. See what's going on over here. I see a little witch doctors. I think my clutch is here. Wife's having this party. I got some more stuff. It's looking good. We visit the girls. You already know. What's up, YouTubers? Got some packages. So I was gonna open them up. Let's see what's going on. This is from Witch Doctors. Shout out to Roxy. Shows me justice. You flip that around and see. That's where you get a lot of your stuff from. Indian and Victory. We open this up here. For Mama, gotta keep her happy. I gotta actually stay out of these stores, so I got this. And there is my clutch. Yes, sir. Bertha is gonna be on the road again very shortly. Yes, sir. Clutch has been delivered. Been waiting for that for almost a month and a half to 2 months. Let's see what's going on in the next box. I'll be right back. This box, I think, this box came from the owner of the 2011 Victory Tour. He sent me this box. Now, this box is supposed to contain some secret items. You know what I'm talking about? Let's see what's going on here. All right, hold on. Switch it around. It's got a pretty good tape job here. Remember I told you the owner found me and said he was going to send me some goodies. And I think this is from him. Hold on, I'll be right back. Oh, yes, sir. So this is what I said the owner, he sent me. And shout out to Anthony. Cover his name up. It's nobody's business. But shout out to Anthony from Illinois. I live in North Carolina. He traded the bike in Maggie Valley. So he hooked me up with some stickers. Okay. Another Victory motorcycle sticker. Oh, it's the remote control for the lights that are on the bike. I didn't show y'all that yet. I didn't snap out yet. Let you hear the pipes and see the lights. Some more stickers. I just ordered a new helmet. So that'll be perfect. He said he was going to send me the flags to go on the flag holders. Just one American flag. I had to get a Black Lives Matter. My bad. Oh, the proper seat belt. Oh, and another battery pack for the other side. I guess a keychain. Victory keychain. Oh, that's nice. Holla at your boy. Look at that. Let's get a focus in on that. That's pretty nice. And another little adapter. He took care of you, boy. This is perfect right there. I like that. I put that on my other helmet. Hang on, let's see if this fits. Right now, I got Bertha's seat in there. Let's pull this one out. It's about the same size. I thought it was something different that I was doing, but I don't think so, brother. I think think it is the same. It's actually smaller. This is fit. The other one kicked my butt going in, so no, this one is going to go crazy. Oh, went right in. That's perfect. And right where she's supposed to be. Like I said, those other ones, they come out from underneath. I put this one back on my girl. I'm gonna jack it out today. Got a lot of stuff going on there. Let's put this over here. It's cold in the mornings, man. North Carolina. It's like you had to open this little thing up right here. Don't tell me this ain't fly. Come on, man. Victory owners know what it is. You basically open that up like that. Stick that in there, put that back. Now you got back support. And I usually keep my garage door open in there, but I'm gonna do some things to this bike, man. I think I'm gonna add some music to it and some lights. Get it down to Charlotte, let you see how my cousin does things. All right, after I move stuff around, there is a third box. This is also from Witch Doctors. I didn't open this up. Let's see what's going on in this box. Hold on. Like I said, shout out to Witch Doctors. Let's see what's going on in here. Oh, this is some stuff for the vision. So, Karakin pads. Short Magnum peg mount. This is crazy, man. All this stuff came in one day. And I believe, yeah, this is the under the floor mount. If I can open it. With one hand. Where's my knife at? Never put nothing back the same place. And I just had a knife. I just opened this box with a knife, whatever it is. Hey. Boxes, hold on, man. I mean, the box was literally kicking my butt. These are under the floor. So I guess these joints, they go underneath the floorboard on the Victory, or any Victory with those big floorboards. And it comes out. Put your highway pegs on it. So I'm gonna see if I like those over the others. But everything came. Question is, I put all this stuff together, is when you gonna have time to do it? And also, is it wife approved? Did my wife approve? Did she approve me buying all this stuff? See, one thing about the motorcycles, and they don't tell you, is once you get in, you're in the stripper game, partner. That's what my cousin always said. Hey, welcome to the stripper game. Because it's a money pit, bro. You just keep on spending, you know, and I can't wait to get this stuff on the bike, man. I'm gonna try. First thing I'm gonna try out is this. This is the first thing I'm gonna try out. See if that works. Come on, let's go check it out. Remember, we're trying to chill, not heal. God bless. And always remember, if you ride one, you own one. Peace. God bless.
I'm feeling high.